I'm Fatima Al-Sharawi, founder and color consultant for The Gracious F. So today we did an amazing session with Saleh where we analyzed his personality, we found out what is his color palettes, and we represented these in his home.
Hi, my name is Saleh Al-Break. I am an entrepreneur in Dubai. I own businesses that are in several industries, being F&B and fitness and health.
So today I'll be sharing with you Saleh's personality, the Starlight personality. This is more the business side of Saleh. And they're great leaders because they always look at the bigger picture, they find the solution, and they implement it with no delays. So why don't you share with us, first of all, what do you use the space for?
So this space generally is some place that we meet and gather every Friday, and usually use the space for teas, coffees, desserts, and most importantly, board games. What I do at times is I do a work from home where I would prefer to be in my own space.
Right. So actually, what I did here was we picked different elements that would more relate to your Starlight personality, as that is your work mode personality. Yeah. So in this section, we've brought in some fun elements to your workspace. We have this beautiful frame from AVF, and here you have selected a very beautiful picture because this represents your love of your country. So we have this beautiful, very innovative piece from Dome, which is actually a phone holder and a speaker at the same time. So in this corner, we have added a bit of warmth and texture to give you a more comforting feeling. So the Riviere lamp here, as we can see, is, I remember when you had come to your session, you had a bag that had a lot of weaves in it. So I took that as one of the elements that you would like to have in your surrounding.
Nice. This is literally me on a table.
Amazing.
Over the past few years, I've been a huge fan of Matar bin Lahij and his work. He was fascinated of these beautiful Arabian stallions and horses, and I was immediately drawn into these beautiful pieces of artwork.
So on that basis, with what you told me about your favorite artist, I picked the perfect statement piece for the entrance of the home. So here we have this beautiful vase from Dome, which represents a lot of the elements in Matar bin Lahij's painting, as he's mixed modern and traditional. And of course, the hue of blue is exactly what you see in his painting. Yet again, we also have to add on the modern side to it. So the beautiful fragrance brand here is giving you that modern element, the clean cut straight lines that your Starlight personality likes. At the same time, it's giving that aroma that is very much representative of our culture. So the strong fragrances that we are very much naturally drawn to is one of the very key fragrances that are used in this brand.
It's beautiful.
Thank you, Saleh, for inviting us to your beautiful home and giving us an opportunity to represent your personalities through the Tanagra products.
I'd like to thank you, Fatima, and just for basically giving me such an eye-opening experience, for knowing something that I hadn't known, but I knew all along deep down, and really beautifying my home where I know that I will not only be more comfortable in it, but feel more empowered in it and feel more that I can relate to it, and also have that form of self-expression when someone walks in. They can now truly get a sense of who I am as a person and what I'm all about. So I would like to personally thank you for this experience because it was truly life-changing.
You're most welcome, and it was our utmost pleasure. Thank you very much.